period 3 elements and the oxides multiple choice questions even more. Yeah, I guess it could be named part 2. Question 7. Which one of the following statements is correct? The first ionization energies of the elements in period 3 show general decrease in from sodium to chlorine. Okay. Sodium to chlorine. Look at the periodic table. Sodium right here. Chlorine right here. Now, first ionization energy decreases down a group, increases across a period, generally. So it's definitely not going to be A. B. Electronegativity. Group 2 elements decrease from magnesium to barium. The strength of intermolecular forces increase from hydrogen fluoride to hydrogen iodide. Hydrogen fluoride to hydrogen iodide. Well, strength of intermolecular forces. Well, no, because the fluoride ion compared to iodine, well, if you keep going down the group, first ionization energy can decrease. Also, you're going to have, it's going to have more electrons, bigger electron shells, more shielding, further away from the nucleus, further away, so weaker attraction. So it actually be weaker, it would decrease. The ability of a halide ion to act as a reducing agent decrease from fluoride to iodide. No, it increases. So the answer is B. And I haven't gone through electronegativity as a group 2 elements. I do need to go through it again because I clearly wasn't able to spot it. Because generally with these kind of trends questions, trends or markers, obviously multiple choice questions, it's either you can spot it, and if you don't spot it immediately, well then you're going to have to do a bit of like eliminate 2 options and then guess between one of the 2, and you don't want to be in that situation, so it's just better to memorize them. Which of these elements has the high second ionization energy? Sodium, magnesium, neon, argon. Magnesium, neon, argon. Well, I know first ionization energy decreases down the group. Increase across period. However, sodium is smallest ion and it's going to be sodium. It's going to require a large amount of energy to move its electron from its second outer shell. Question 9. Which of the following is a correct statement about the trend in atomic radius across period 3 of the periodic table? Across period 3. Period 3. Radius increases because atoms have more electrons. Radius decreases because nuclear charge increases. Radius increases because shielding increases. Radius decreases because shielding decreases. Period 3 elements and oxides. Sodium to chlorine. Well, what were the options again? Radius increases. Does atomic radius increase? It does. But if you look at it, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, argon. I think I need to have a quick review of the period 3 elements and the oxides trends. So I'm not sure for this one. Let's move on to the next one. Question 10. Which is the correct order of melting points of these periodic table elements? Phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Definitely not that. Correct order melting points. Yeah, definitely not that. Argon, chlorine, phosphorus, sulfur. Yes. Remember, argon, one atomic, chlorine, and then you got phosphorus, P4, and Sa. And sulfur has the highest melting point because of the most number of electrons. And then question 11, which is the correct classification for the element yttrium? Why? Go to periodic table, and this part is just finding out why. Perfect. There we go. Where is this located? In the middle of the periodic table. And remember, if it's in the middle of the periodic table, the block is going to be called is a D block. That's the S block, the middle's of D block, and obviously this one is the P block, SDP, and this one is the F block. Just a quick recap. So the answer is the D block one, so C. Let's mark it. Question 7B. Yep. Question 8A. Perfect. Question 9B. 9B. I did have a feeling it would be 9B, but I just, because these looked so convincing as well. Which one was most convincing? Radius increase because atoms have more electrons. No, it wasn't really this one. It was all of them, yeah, but this one, part C, radius increases, shield increases. But I should have known the nuclear charge increases. Now if you look here, sodium Na plus, Mg2 plus, Al3 plus, and you know, therefore the radius decreases because nuclear charge increases. 10C, 11C, perfect. 10C. Oh my days. I thought it was lowest in this case for 10B. I thought it was lowest to highest. But I just completely forgot. That means that's greater than that. That means that's greater than that. That means that. So yeah, it's definitely not B. And then it would be C because that's S8, that's P4, that's Cl2, and that's Ar. And that is got the highest melting point. So it is C. Just an extremely silly mistake. Just read, didn't see those signs. But the answer is 10C. And that's the end of these multiple choice questions.